The fence exercise is very useful for those who have to use mounting stools, for instance. It is also pretty interesting to reinforce communication and trust between you and your horse. The first step consists of repeating the sanding exercise from the fence. I put a link to my program and to this specific video in the description box below. This point of view is different for your horse, and practicing something he already knows well will help him to feel comfortable with this new situation. Then, you can start to teach a new cue from the fence. That is, to yield the hindquarters in order to get closer to the fence. Raise gently your hand, then bump on the rope until you get one first step in the good direction. Later, keep bumping until your horse crosses the hind legs. Finally, you should keep bumping on the rope until he comes parallel to the fence. Now, it is time to combine these new cues to bring your horse to the fence in a smooth and nice move. This new position is a good opportunity to reinforce the desensitizing process by waving the flag right from above the saddle to simulate a rider. Process is the same as desensitizing from the ground. Keep flapping until your horse stops and shows a sign of relaxation. It will not take long until he becomes well used to that flag. Sometimes, the fence exercise is the only solution to mount a horse for the first time. Repeat the process as usual and add your weight on the stirrup or in the saddle. If the horse starts to move, back him up and start all over again. Pretty soon, your horse will stand still and you can sit on the saddle. Be cautious when you work with colts or problem horses, as they can have some unusual and spooky reactions. Be sure you can stop your horse and reassure him until he calms down.